Doing alright, my dear? Good. What are we trying today? Chiwawa? Alright, before we get started, I'm recording for social media. Would that be fine?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Would you like queso for extra on them there? Want a black or pinto beans on them?
Black.
Black beans. And what kind of meat would you like? Chicken? Yeah. Would you like any flavor on them?
We're in the Sriracha ranch.
Sriracha ranch. Would you like lettuce pico on them? Pico, any mild or hot salsa?
I think I get guac as well.
Yeah, guac will be extra, that'll be fine. Yeah.
And then we're going to do the corn, red onion,
Onion. Got it. And cheese. That's it, right? Thank you so much, my dear. You have a wonderful day, alright? Take care. Thank you. See you later.